Hi. As you can see, I am on my Mac PC and I use Camtasia Video Editor here. You can see the project, which is recorded here. But I want this project to be used in my Windows PC, and yes, it's possible. Let's make Mac Camtasia project converted to Windows project easily. Come to File. Then Export. And finally Project for Windows. I am just giving it a name like for Windows. Now I am sending this to my pen drive to test in my Windows PC. Here you can see the size is 14 MB and zipped. It's sent to my pen drive. Let's meet you in my Windows PC and check if it works. Welcome back to my Windows PC. You can see I have Camtasia installed in my system. This is the zipped file which I extracted. And now going to open it. Yes. It's working smoothly in my Windows computer as well. And I can use all the other features in this project too without any error or problem. So this is how you can simply use Mac Camtasia project file in Windows easily using a simple trick. Hope this will help you. Please be with us and also subscribe to Inspire. Goodbye.